In Python, why does zero spin return false? Inputting the command zero spin returns false. Why does that happen? This syntax should have no meaning whatsoever. Functions cannot start with 0, there are no I and n in hex, and the bin function must have some arguments.
Python seems to interpret 0 spin as 0xb in, meaning is 11 in an empty tuple. The answer is no, therefore false.
If you disassemble the code, you'll see that Weissel's answer, which mentions that 0 spin is interpreted as 0xb in, is confirmed.
You can use Python's own tokenizer to check. This prints the tokens in your string, separated by spaces. In this case, the result will be. In other words, it returns false because the number 11, 0xb, is not in the empty tuple. Thanks to Roman Odoski for suggesting the use of tokenize in the comments. Edit, to explain the code a bit more thoroughly. The tokenize function expects input in a bit of a weird format, so io.bytecoline.readline is a function that turns a sequence of bytes into something tokenized can read. Tokenize then tokenizes it and returns a series of Nemet tuples. We take the string representing each one and join them together with spaces. The type not equal 59 part is used to ignore the encoding specifier that would otherwise show up at the beginning.
You can use the AST module to get the abstract syntax tree of the expression. See the abstract grammar for how to interpret the expression, but TL, Dr. num n equals 11 is the 0xb part, and tuple else equals, ... hints towards an empty tuple rather than a function call.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.